Retirement planning for beginners. Are you nearing retirement or just starting to think about it? Retirement planning can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. In fact, with a little bit of know-how and some helpful tips, you can make the process a lot easier on yourself. Here are a few basics to get you started. What is retirement planning, and why do you need it? Retirement planning is figuring out how much money you will need to save to cover your retirement expenses. It is important to do this planning early on in your career, as it can be difficult to save up enough money if you wait until later in life. There are several different factors that you need to take into account when retirement planning, such as how long you plan on working, how much money you will need to cover your costs, and what kind of lifestyle you want to have in retirement. How much money will you need to retire comfortably? When it comes to retirement planning, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The amount of money you'll need to retire comfortably will depend on some factors, including your lifestyle and retirement goals. However, a few general principles can help you get started. First, retirement planning is not a one-time event. It's something you should be thinking about throughout your working life. The sooner you save, the more time your money will have to grow. Second, retirement is not cheap. Depending on your lifestyle and retirement goals, you may need as much as 70% of your pre-retirement income to maintain your standard of living. Finally, retirement planning is not just about money. While financial security is important, retirement is also about finding ways to stay active and engaged. Whether pursuing hobbies, spending time with family and friends, or volunteering, retirement should be a time to enjoy life. By keeping these things in mind, you can begin to plan for the retirement you deserve. Where can you find information on retirement planning, and how do you get started? Retirement planning can seem like a daunting task, especially for beginners. However, there are many resources available to help you get started. Your first step should be to assess your financial situation and set retirement goals. Once you clearly understand your finances, you can begin to research retirement options and compare different plans. Many retirement calculators and websites can provide helpful information and guidance. It would be best if you also spoke with a financial advisor to get personalized advice. Retirement planning requires time and effort, but it is an important step in ensuring a secure future. With the right planning and preparation, you can ensure a comfortable retirement. What are the different retirement plans, and which is best for you? One of the most important things to consider is how much money you will need to save to retire comfortably. Depending on your lifestyle and retirement goals, this will vary, but it's a good starting point. From there, you can start looking at different retirement account options. The most common type of retirement account is a 401(k). With a 401(k), you contribute a portion of your paycheck to the account each month, and your employer may also make matching contributions. The money in the account grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on it until you withdraw it in retirement. Another option is a Roth IRA. With a Roth IRA, you also contribute money every month, but the money is taxed up front. This means you won't owe any taxes when you withdraw them in retirement. Both 401(k)s and Roth IRAs have pros and cons, so it's important to research before deciding which is right for you. Other retirement account options, such as annuities and pension plans, are also available. However, these are generally only available through employers or other organizations. If you're starting retirement planning, the 401(k) or Roth IRA are your best bet. Once you have a better grasp of the different options available, you can start making informed decisions about which ones are right for your individual needs. How do you manage your retirement savings once they are set up, and what should you be aware of when making withdrawals in retirement? Once retirement savings are set up, a few key things need to be taken into account to make withdrawals in retirement. First, it's important to consider the tax implications of retirement withdrawals. Depending on the retirement account, withdrawals may be subject to income tax. Second, it's important to factor in inflation when making retirement withdrawals. Retirees need to be aware of the purchasing power of their retirement savings and plan accordingly. Lastly, it would be best if you made retirement withdrawals to ensure the sustainability of the retirement income stream. This means considering the retiree's life expectancy and the likelihood of longevity. By considering these factors, retirees can make informed decisions about how to manage their retirement savings best. What are some final tips for ensuring a smooth transition into retirement years? For many people, retirement is a time to kick back and finally enjoy the fruits of their labor. However, retirement can also be uncertain, especially for those who haven't done much planning. Here are a few final tips to help ensure a smooth transition into retirement years. Start by doing some research. There are a lot of resources out there, so it's important to know what's available and what might work best for you. Create a budget. This will help you understand your expenses and plan accordingly. Make sure to account for both current and future expenses. Talk to your family and friends about retirement. They may have insights or ideas that you hadn't considered. Finally, don't forget to have some fun. Retirement is a time to enjoy life and do things that you love. So go out there and make the most of it. If you're looking for more retirement planning tips, subscribe to my channel.